Welcome to Tandendo, Breathe from Tanden. This is the first episode from Kendo, how to use the Tanden. Now this is what I'd like to explain this time. We use the same muscles for breathing, but it is not the same as breathing. Since we use the same muscles for breathing, you should breathe. This is not the ordinary breathing. Breathe normally in this manner. So let's get started. We use the same muscles for breathing, but it is not the same as breathing. If we inhale, from point of view of energy, inhaling would take energy. From point of view of mechanics, diaphragm gets loose, then it would be harder to pull up the sacrum. Then if we do not inhale, from point of view of energy, breathing would not take energy. And if we do not inhale, from the point of view of the mechanics, diaphragm gets fixed, then it would be easier to pull up the sacrum. And now I'm going to show you an example. We do a kikaishi with one breath. I believe that this is the reason we practice this way. And another example is that we cannot inhale underwater while we swim in butterfly style. And then we are doing the motion without inhaling. So now I'd like to explain, since we use the same muscle for breathing, you should breathe. So you should get used to the method at this early stage by breathing, since we use the exactly same muscles. And next reason is that you would die if you do not breathe occasionally. And next one, this is not ordinary breathing. Why breathing to begin with? Muscles to be used for breathing are strong and have endurance too. They are working all day long every day. You can control it, unlike the heart and so on. Now I'd like to explain about method. Breathe by shrinking the distance between the sacrum and the diaphragm. Straighten lower back. And the Tanden sends a wave to the spine that compress the lungs, then it will cause you to exhale. Now, why is this method required? To make a tangent line at the bottom by pulling up the sacrum, and to create rotation at the Tanden. And Tai Chi Chuan specifies this form without emphasizing breathing. Aikido emphasizes breathing without specifying this form. And I just combine and fill the gap. And at last, breathe normally in this manner. And if you watch the Japanese anime Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba, you know what I'm talking about. For somebody who didn't watch the anime, if we can breathe in this manner, we probably could achieve techniques with the mindlessness as if we were breathing. At least that's what I'm hoping for. And that's it for this episode, but many more episodes are following. But I'd like to explain about the effects and the byproducts briefly. Pull up pelvis actually causes a pull up a heel of the back foot, and then convey power through a spine to the arm or hands to the sword all the way. And then yelling voice is merely a byproduct of the spine wave. It is merely a proof of motion of spine. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you haven't, and subscribe this channel if you haven't.